Presenting the Canon M50 Mark II camera in black color. The camera has a lightweight design, making it easy to carry and use. It records videos at 4K resolution, and it also makes vertical vlogging easy as it lets you film vertical videos in 4K for social media. With accurate eye and face detection autofocusing, the camera lets you capture faces clearly for high-quality images. Canon M50 Mark II also comes with an in-camera YouTube live streaming for real-time video engagement. The camera comes with zoom lens, battery charger, strap and battery pack included in the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.